Today is chapter 3.6, and it's all about decimal subtraction, and it's very similar to yesterday, because just like yesterday how we were using base 10 blocks to model decimal addition, today we're going to look at how we can use base 10 blocks and quick pictures to model decimal subtraction, okay? Just like I said yesterday, if you already know the standard algorithm, I want you to pay attention today because it's important that you know multiple ways and have multiple strategies to show how you can add and subtract decimals, okay? All right. So let's jump right in. It says use base 10 blocks to find 0.84 or 84 hundredths minus 56 hundredths. Let's remind ourselves again, how can we use these base 10 blocks to represent decimals? This flat, we can use this flat to represent what value? Shreya? Okay, we can use the flat to represent 1. We can use the long or the rod to represent, Ariel? 1/10, okay. And finally, we can use the small unit cube to represent what, Marcus?
The hundredth.
1/100th. Okay. So now let's use my blocks right here and model this problem. 84 hundredths minus 56 hundredths. When I tried to use the base 10 blocks, I had to cut up one rod, right? I literally cut up one rod. But instead of cutting it, I could trade in what for what in order to regroup for this problem. What do I need to regroup? Daniel? So 1/10, and the 10th is represented by what base 10 block? By what? And this is called a what? Huh? A rod, one rod. I need to trade in one rod, put it away, and take out what? Trade in one rod for, Sarah? 10 units, yeah. Okay. So it's 1/10, right? For 10 hundredths. Right? Now, just like I said yesterday, we don't necessarily have base 10 blocks at home to cut up and trade in and model. So let's see if we can use a quick picture to model this. The problem is 2 and 82 hundredths minus 1 and 47 hundredths. What picture do I need to draw first? Should I draw 1 and 47 hundredths? What do I need to do that though? What do I need to draw? Ariel? 2 and 82 hundredths. So how can I represent the 2 part of 2 and 82 hundredths? Adam? How many flats? Because I have 2 units. Good, 2 flats. And then what do I need to draw next? What do I need to draw next? Clarissa? 8 rods. Why? And how many tenths do I have? 8. Good. What else do I have to draw to finish representing the first number? Stuart? 2 Why do we need to draw 2 unit cubes? Because there's 2 hundredths. Good. Now, what am I being asked to take away? Remember, we know we can start on the left side or we can start on the right side when we're dealing with models. What am I being asked to take away? How many ones am I asked to take away? Karan? 1. So let's cross out one of those flats. How many tenths am I asked to take away? Soham? 4. So let's cross out 4 of those rods. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many hundredths am I asked to take away? How many hundredths? Misaki? How many hundredths am I taking? 7. So can I take away 7? Let's see. 1, 2. Uh-oh, I'm out. What do I need to do? Zara? I need to regroup by trading in 1/10 for 10 hundredths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I already took away 2, so how many more do I have to take away? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because altogether that's 7 hundredths that I'm taking away. So let's see what we have left. How many ones do we have left? 1. Okay. How many tenths do we have left?
3.
And how many hundredths do we have left?
5.
So the answer is 1 and 35 hundredths. Very good.